guys, it's Portia K here, and I'm back with another video. I know I'm in the studio once again. This should be my second video. Yeah. Okay, so I am going in with Colored Rain. Let's see how this pops up on here. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so this is Colored Rain 2 AM, and I want to show you all the different things that you can do with black lipstick, right? So here it is right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is what the applicator looks like. It is a very true black, as you can see right here. So this is what I'll be using on my face, and let's get into it, shall we? Okay, ready? Yeah, y'all saw that right. You saw it right. No, you did. Okay. We're gonna go back in with this lipstick, which is Colored Rain 2 AM. And I'm gonna put this all over my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with different glitters. I like butter.
Status is in my fame, is in my pockets, is in my change, is in my ride, is in my body. That did no show, no club was your motto. Only hit me after the club and you up that bottle. Pussy so good you thought you was alive. But if I had you back, all I wanna do is fuck. Get drunk, take drugs. All I wanna funny now that you call it, that you ring in my life. What the hell is you bringing my life? I touched that 5 for you. I do that 3, 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose.
So that was Back in Black by Lit Cosmetics. My lips do feel tight, just letting you know.
You just too important. Nobody like you do. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that boy between.
See? Nothing came off like at all. Except for like one very small speck of glitter. Good, you can see that. There we go. Let's see. One more, you guys. So yeah. One speck of glitter. Not a lot. Alright, so laying on top of that, because I feel like it's not really going to make a difference if I do it by itself. I mean, it would. This one is the Gunmetal glitter. Gunmetal color, very, very pretty. Actually has like a bluish tint to it. I want to hang it on top. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the adhesive. I'm taking some of the new glitter, just below it. Yeah. Now the party's getting started. And this is a gorgeous look. I don't know how y'all can tell how gorgeous this is in person. You can see you won't be doing that, but this is the Lip Cosmetics Daily Wear Glitter Base.
Yeah.
I'm moving it around. Not much is happening. I'm just painting. This is so pretty.
I'm still here.
You guys see that? Don't bump it.
Have you ever
Alright,
lost?
this shade is, well, this color is called Triple Berry, and this is by
If you have,
Sydney Grace, I believe.
you can relate. Yeah. Am I wrong for thinking that this still ain't over? Don't hold these words I say against me, I'm not sober. They say love is war, and trust me, I'm no soldier. I lost my drive, and all because you were my motor. Ticking and talking, I know this clock ain't stopping. Pistol to my heart, and I know you standing there watching. I wanna buy you flowers, maybe show up at your door. Maybe have a conversation on topics we should ignore. You know you got my support, but baby, I need some more. A little bit of your core, just to even up the score. I've been waiting for a whole month, blinded by this hope. Mama say she got a therapist, I probably should consult.
I've been going through something. I struggle with my inner man. I hustle, I do what I've been going through something. I've been going.
Turn off the lights, we gon' throw us a party. Just me and your body. You're on the edge and I feel it, I'm sorry. It's kinda my hobby. Kissing on you till you go down and tie me. Just make sure it's sloppy. Whole lot of red on your cheeks like it's Cardi. I need you all on me. Lick it and stick it like you smoke a blunt. If there ain't tears, that mean it wasn't fun. Move like a snake, that mean.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. These are just a starter. These are just like the black lipstick. Just some ideas of what you can do with black lipstick. If you want all my other colors that I have, we could do that too. We can do blue lipsticks. I have those. I have Color Rain Blackberry. It's actually a blue black. If you guys want to do that, you definitely could. I have all types of colors here that are not what you guys would like typically be expecting, right? this is actually a gray, gunmetal gray. Regular gray. Got orange. Yellow, so let me know what colors you guys want next, and I will deliver, because 9 times out of 10 I probably have that color for you, so that's it. Any type of suggestions that you guys want for Halloween, let me know. I will do my best to accommodate you. Your girl does have 2 jobs, so keep that in mind. But yeah, it feels nice to be back in the studio, and hopefully this is an everyday thing. I really want to be consistent. Let me know what you guys want. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and have a great day. And keep being you. Bye-bye.
Turn off the lights, we gon' throw us a party. Just me and your body. You're on